Hi everyone, I'm Saiman Shetty, your host and the founder of Smart Green Card program. I'm back with an insightful EB1A topic, which is, do you really need a letter of recommendation for your EB1A? Watch this full video to find out the answer, and I'll also be providing a step-by-step guide on getting strong recommendation letters for the EB1A. So let's dive in. First things first, LORs are not really a strict requirement for the EB1A. However, having them can strengthen your application. Here's why though. USCIS officers are not really experts in your field. They rely on objective evidence to evaluate your extraordinary abilities. Now, LORs serve as one type of strong objective evidence to showcase your extraordinary abilities in your field. Don't miss out on this huge chance by skipping the LORs in your EB1A application. I'm struggling to get letters of recommendation from my employer. Can I get LORs from a colleague instead? This is a common question I hear from EB1A applicants. So, from whom can you get a strong letter of recommendation for your EB1A petition? Let's break it down. Before we discuss the ideal types of recommenders for the EB1A, it is important to understand that not all recommendation letters hold the same weight. Not all of them are created equal. So, there are two main categories for recommenders in the EB1A petitions. Number one, inner circle. These are people who you know personally or professionally, such as your current or former employer, your PhD advisor or manager. Number two, outer circle. These are experts in your field who can speak to your extraordinary work, even if you haven't met them in person. Now, examples include authors who have cited your research or prominent figures you have met at conferences. USCIS values recommendation letters from your outer circle more, but both types of letters can demonstrate your extraordinary ability in the field. Now, it is important to balance letters from both your inner circle and outer networks to strengthen your EB1A case, because that's the balance that USCIS looks for the most. Now, I guess you have got clarity on whom you can get recommendation letters from for the EB1A. So the next question in your mind would be, how do you get these strong recommendation letters for the EB1A, right? So let's quickly break down each step involved in getting EB1A recommendation letters. Number one, choose the right recommender. Select the right individuals from your network to attest to your extraordinary ability to USCIS. Prioritize independent experts in your field over others that you know personally. Number two, craft an effective request. Your LOR request to recommenders should be brief and to the point. Mention the purpose of the LORs and how they will help with your EB1A petition. Do not beat around the bush and do not make it into a large essay that they'll be bored reading. Number three, provide supporting materials. Many EB1A applicants make the mistake of having a generic LOR that fail to address the EB1A criteria. To avoid this crucial mistake, offer a summary of the EB1A criteria you aim to meet and a list of specific accomplishments, and this way recommenders will be way more able to write effective letters by highlighting your unique achievements in the field, what is specific to you and what is impressive about you yourself. Number four, offer guidance. You can offer guidance or specific templates mentioning the elements that should be covered in your letter, and also ensure that the letters are written by recommenders themselves to maintain credibility. Number five, revise letters. Recommendation letters should be error-free and well stated. So the request of the recommendation letters first draft should be made from the recommenders, review them and suggest revisions if necessary. Finally, do not forget to thank them for all the time they have taken to give you a recommendation letter despite their busy schedules, and I'm sure these people will be super busy people as well. Now that's it. Again, reiterating the LORs or the recommendation letters, they are crucial for a strong EB1A application. Some criteria are held together only by the LORs in many cases. Now it's time to reveal a big secret about getting a strong EB1A recommendation letter. Sometimes people are hesitant to provide recommendation letters on company letterheads. In that case, don't really give up on that opportunity. Recommendation letters without company letterheads are still acknowledged by the USCIS, and we've seen this in numerous Smart Green Card clients as well. But make sure that the recommenders' details are in the letters as well to kind of tell the officer exactly who this person is and why that person's word should be important. Wrapping up this video though, if you're serious about preparing for the EB1A to fast track your immigration process, your green card journey, and are seeking personalized EB1A assistance, feel free to check out our Smart Green Card program's VIP plan. If you have any doubts related to Smart Green Card or EB1A, feel free to comment below and we are here to help you. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, keep chasing those dreams and I will see you in the next video. This is Saiman Shetty signing off. Peace.